With the Galaxy S25 series and the latest foldables already making waves, you'd think Samsung might be wrapping things up for 2025. Think again. The tech giant is just getting started, and what's coming next might be its boldest move yet. Mobile phone Samsung's first ever Trifold phone could drop this year. Rumors are heating up around Samsung's first Trifold smartphone, potentially launching later this year. If true, this could redefine the foldable category and give Samsung a major edge in innovation. Fire Fan Edition refresh incoming. The Galaxy Fan Edition lineup is also getting a refresh, keeping budget-conscious users in the loop with premium features at a lower price point. Laptop computer Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra leaks, specs and surprises. Now let's talk tablets. The next-gen Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is already making headlines thanks to early leaks and a fresh certification listing spotted by ExpertPick. According to Finland's SGS Fimco certification site, Samsung is prepping 3 variants. SM-X936B likely 5G plus Wi-Fi. SM-X936N Wi-Fi only. SM-X930 South Korea exclusive. Battery and charging, slight upgrade, same speed. The Tab S11 Ultra will feature an 11,600 mAh battery, a modest 400 mAh bump over the Tab S10 Ultra. However, charging remains capped at 45 W, which might disappoint users hoping for faster speeds, especially with the Galaxy S26 Ultra rumored to get a charging boost. Artist palette colors and storage options revealed. Thanks to reliable leaker Mystery Lupin, we now know the color and storage configurations. Galaxy Tab S11. 12GB RAM across all models. Storage, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB. Colors, gray, silver. Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. 12GB RAM. Storage, 256GB, 512GB, no 1TB option this time. Colors, gray, silver. Lightbulb surprise comeback, Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Samsung is also reportedly re-releasing the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, powered by the Exynos 1380. Specs include 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. Colors, gray, coral red, silver. While basic, it's expected to be a slight upgrade over the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024, perfect for casual users or students. Thinking Face final thoughts, is Samsung playing it safe or setting the stage? So, is this lineup enough to get excited about? Or is Samsung playing it safe with incremental upgrades? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected. Victory Han.